So acceleration we'll discuss here first. What is acceleration? You know that in vehicle we have accelerator. What it does? Accelerator changes its velocity. If you are moving with certain velocity and when you want to change the velocity, then what you have to do? You have to accelerate. The same concept here in physics, acceleration is change in velocity of an object per unit time. So acceleration equals to v minus u by t. And what is SI unit? Meter per second square, because velocity SI unit is meter per second and one more time is here, so meter per second square. So this is acceleration. Now we will see equation of motion, very important concept, equation of motion. So from here only we can say AT here, T will come this side. So AT is equals to V minus U. So this U minus this side it will be positive. U plus AT equals to V. So this is first equation of motion. V equals to U plus AT. Similarly, we have another equation of motion, S equals to UT plus half AT square. And third we have V square minus U square equals to 2AS. Now you may wonder that why this many relation, why this many equations we need to know. I will tell you why. Because all are related. First we have studied about distance, and distance we say is S here. S is distance. And then we have consider when time, then we say that it's velocity. Velocity is nothing but displacement per unit time. So velocity, time, and then acceleration. Acceleration is v minus u by t. So all this quantity are related. We cannot say that distance is different than acceleration. Actually, when you are covering some distance, and then with respect to time, then we'll have velocity, and when you change your velocity, then it is acceleration. So there is a relation between acceleration, velocity, time. That relationship is very, very important for 9th standard and 11th standard. So we should know these three equation of motion. This we call equation of motion. If you know this, then first three chapter of 9th standard is easy. Because in all three chapters in numericals, we use this three equation of motion. So V equals to U plus AT. This has come from here only. AT V minus U. Let's understand with one example. Suppose we say that a bus is moving with initial velocity 20 meter per second, and after 10 seconds its velocity goes to 50 meter per second. What is acceleration? U is initial velocity and V is final velocity. How much time? 10 seconds. So what we have to do here, we have to use this equation of motion. Why? Because U is given 20, V is given, T is given. So you got only one variable, one equation, one variable you can solve. So what we will use? We will use this V here 50, U will use 20 plus A we need to find, and time is given 10. So 20 this side, 50 minus 20 is 30 is equals to 10A. So A equals to 30 by 10. So you got A equals to 3 meter per second square. So this we got acceleration. So what you have to understand in solving numerical problem, you have to read question thoroughly one time, two times, and write the given data. This is given data which you have to write important. It's very important to write given data. After that, you have to use the equation of motion. How you will use, how you know that this or this or this we have to use based on the given data. Like here, if somebody tried to use S equals to ut plus half at square, Then what will happen? Time is given, u is given, half is constant, a we found out, and then time is given. We can find s also, distance also we can find out here. How we find distance? Let's use this equation of motion. Then s equals to u. What is u? 20. Then t is 10 seconds plus half. A we got 3a and t is 10 square means 100. Now s equals to 200 plus here 50, 150. So we can say that 350 meter distance bus has traveled in 10 seconds. So it's very easy, right? So we need to be very clear with the concept. What is acceleration, is change in velocity. Moreover, you should know this three equation of motion. Then any question, like in this case, question was a bus is moving with 20 meter per second. After 10 seconds, it has velocity 50 meter per second. What is the acceleration and how much time it has, how much distance it has covered? So what we have done, we know that first you can write in any exam and all, you can write this three equation of motion, no problem. They will not cut marks and all. It's very useful. So you just write 3 and then check what to use. Here we cannot use this first because you don't know acceleration, you don't know distance. So you have two variable. Now math concept. You have two variable. How you have two variable? How you can solve this equation? You cannot solve. So you have only one choice, to use this and then get acceleration and then use this, because you know acceleration. Now you will have only this variable which has to be found. So it's very simple. We can find out like this. So we can solve many numerical based on this concept, equation of motion. So it's very important. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you.